What's the meaning of brainwave? Brainwave. Brainwave.
Brainwave. Brainwave. The term brainwave refers to the rhythmic electrical patterns that are produced by the brain. These patterns can be measured by an electroencephalogram, EEG, and are categorized by their frequency range, such as delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma waves. Different frequencies of brainwaves are associated with different mental states and activities. For example, delta waves are associated with deep sleep, while beta waves are associated with active thinking and concentration. Understanding brainwaves and their patterns can provide insight into a person's mental state and could have potential applications in fields such as medicine, psychology, and neuroscience.